Cardano price prediction. Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain platform. In 2020, Cardano held a shell upgrade that aimed to make its blockchain 50 to 100 times more decentralized than other large blockchains. At the time, Hoskinson predicted that this would pave the way for hundreds of assets to run on its network. So if we look at the chart, we can say Cardano price prints a bullish technical pattern on the 4-hour chart, hinting at an incoming breakout. The falling wedge pattern may elevate ADA to $1.35, jump-starting the recovery to a record high of around $1.48. Cardano is among the few cryptocurrencies trading double-digit gains among the top 50. The market is dotted in green. However, price action remains lethargic. ADA is up 14% over the last 24 hours to trade at $1.11. For now, the least resistance path seems downwards, but Cardano is trading within the confines of a bullish technical pattern, which suggests that an upswing is likely in the near term. The aspiring smart contract token trades at the apex of a falling wedge pattern, suggesting that a reversal is in the offing. The bullish outlook forms when an asset's price drops with pivot highs and lows while converging at a single point referred to the apex. A breakout is usually anticipated before the trend line coverage. The common breakout is mostly confirmed by a consolidation period, followed by a spike above the upper trend line and reinforced an increasing trading volume. As for Cardano, the 24% breakout is expected to come into the picture as soon as the price steps above the wedge pattern and the hurdle presented by the 200 simple moving average and the 100 simple moving average on the 4-hour chart. It will be a real breakout if the 50 SMS seller congestion area is pushed into the rear view. The expected upswing may fail to come into the picture if the moving average convergence divergence continues to slope downwards. Currently, the MACD line, which is blue, is holding under the signal line, confirming the bears are still in control. So Cardano price today is $1.10. Price change in 24-hour is minus 4.40%. 24-hour low $1.06, 24-hour high $1.15. Trading volume increases 37.47%. Market dominance 2.20%. Market rank number 5. So if we look at the 4-hour chart, we can say Cardano price has created multiple higher lows, and which shows that the presence of aggressive buyers. This price action results in an ascending triangle formation, which predicts a 45% bull rally if ADA price convincingly slices through $1.48 with a strong surge in volume. A swing towards the triangle's base can be expected if the bulls make a comeback that pushes ADA higher. As a result, there can be a 30% upswing in the ADS market. A confirmation of this bull run will come into the picture after Cardano reclaims the 200 simple moving average on the 4-hour chart. Such a development is likely to instill confidence in the sideline investors, triggering a run-up to $1.48. But keep in mind that if Cardano price breaches the hypotenuse at $1.09, leading to a decisive close below the immediate support level, which is at $0.98, it would invalidate the bullish outlook and then catalyze a bearish run. For this case, ADA could slide 10% towards a demand barrier. The barrier is at $0.88. Please keep in mind that this is not a financial advice or any trading suggestion. This is just a personal idea, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more technical analysis. Thank you everyone.